Hi guys, welcome to Techie Fan of India. We are going to the next video in the Python series tutorial. So we are going to get some other concept according to the as per the topic. So today we are going to take the new topic is the Python strings. Very first was number, second was different one. Now it is a string. So we are going to create the each and every concept regarding the string, how we can use a string and where we need to use a string and where we need not to take the string. So we should be ready for this all concept as we are going to get the better understanding. Here we are putting the x as a variable. Inside we are putting inside double noted comma sentence. This is super day in my life. So this is the string. The sentence is taken here as a string. Next is we're going to print the value of x. So we'll run the program, then we'll get the what kind of value will there. Yeah, this is the super day in my life. It is the output here. As we can see, this is the super day in my life. It's the output. Whatever the output is there, that is the we have mentioned inside the string, and we have given the address to x, and we have printed the x will refer to the same string. So we got the same output. Coming to the next, as we get the output, we usually get this output. Yeah. Next, we are going to take value x is equal to. For now, if we want to, we need to give the user to put their own value, so we can put their own string value. Inside we are mentioning input. Please enter your name. Okay. So whatever name they will enter by the user, the same name will print here. So don't worry, as per the name entered by the user, the same value will print here. So we have taken the variable as name, we have entered the value and then print the same. Run the program. After program running, we get the same. It's asking for the enter the value of name. So I'm going to put my name Chandrasekhar Patel. After putting Chandrasekhar only we can get here. Please enter Chandrasekhar. We can get the output in Chandrasekhar. So as per our program, input parameter we use for the string storing. So we can take again some other name like Shekhar. We have taken Shekhar here, and we have taken the output also Shekhar. So as per our requirement, we can change the value. If we want to allow the user to print their own wishes, own values here, that we can give them. If we want to welcome them, we can also use the welcome to you. Inside we can mention the name. After putting comma, after running it, user will come and they'll enter their value. So user is coming here and entering the value of their name, printing their name. After printing their name, we will post the enter button, then we'll get the welcome to you Mr. Chandrasekhar Patel. As per the input has taken Chandrasekhar Patel, we are getting the output also welcome to you Mr. Chandrasekhar Patel. So it's very interesting topic. We should try to understand the concept of it, and we can see here welcome to you Mr. It is already, as the prefix is already created by the double dot comma. Inside name is the variable. It's checking the value that is given by the user. So it's a prefix plus the value. It is printing this same output. Welcome to Mr. Chandrasekhar. Okay. The same way as per user will put their value there. It will print the output. So that's all for these particular lines of the code. After this, we are going to comment this particular line and we'll move to the next set of codes. So yeah, we are getting the next concept here, of name. Like first name of the student, we can take the input. Inside we can take the, as we want to not enter by default value, we are allowing to user to print their own first name and last name, and then they'll get their own complete name. Okay, so we are going to enter the value of name. Inside we are giving the input print enter of name, and we are giving them opportunity to enter their own pieces, own values. The same L value also, L name means last name, the same will mention the same way. And coming to the next concept is here, full name or complete name is equal to F name plus L name, means first name plus last name. So we'll get it here, complete name is equal to F name plus L name, or else we can take the full name also applicable. So it doesn't mean what kind of a variable you are using, but it must have the proper sense, because if the value must have the proper indication. F name and L name is there, so we can print the value of full name and we'll get the output as expected. We'll get the output also. So we are putting here the proper prefix, welcome to you, Mr. And then we are giving the variable value inside the braces followed by the comma. After running the code, we are going to get the F value and L value. We are providing it, and then we are getting we are running. We are putting the name like F name is called Chandra, and L name F name is called Chandrasekhar, and coming to the L name is Patel, and after entering it is output is welcome to you, Mr. Chandrasekhar Patel. So we get it. Thank you for this. Have a great day. As we got this all the concept here, if you are facing any kind of problem or any understandable, then you can contact to us, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.